Hello everyone. Here, this chapter we will look about the constitution design. This is the second lecture. First lecture we have covered. So if you have not seen that lecture, first you watch that lecture, then only you will come to know or you will understand this video. So here we'll cover the topic like why do we need a constitution? In the last lecture we have studied about the apartheid system in South Africa. It's the best story example to story gives the answer to this question, why do we need a constitution. We have seen that what was all the reasons and all. If you are not clear, you can watch that lecture once again and you will have the clear cut idea. Let's see what are the benefits of the having the constitution. Why do a country need to have the constitution? Because it generates a degree of trust and coordination between the citizens or the people, those who are living in the society. Secondly, it gives the government power to constitute or to deliver the power in the state or any territory, and which is stated in the constitution. So here thirdly, it lays the limitation to the government to power. Okay, so here no government can overpower anything if it is in the starting only, if it is mentioned that these are the rules and regulation. Fourth one, it expresses aspiration of the people about the creation of a good society. Definitely if those all features are there, the society will be good. So we say that there should be a constitution. We have seen that what are the requirements or what are the benefits to have the constitution. Here we will be also seeing the some of the terms, that is definition. Last time we have covered the terms like apartheid, it is racial discrimination, racial separation. Clause means a distinct section of a document. Constituent assembly means a group of people who are sitting and writing the constitution for a country. And constitution means it is a supreme law of a country containing fundamental laws. Constitutional amendment, it is a changes done in the constitution. Here draft means it is a version of a legal document. Philosophy means it is a fundamental principle underlying one's thought and action. Preamble, it is an introductory statement of the constitution. You can say that it is a summary of the constitution. Treason, it is the offense of attempting to overthrow the government. Treason in the sense overthrow, like if the present government, suppose present government is XY, and if ABZ party is coming, and so it can be said like that XYZ is overthrown by the ABC party. Coming to the making of the Indian Constitution. In the starting we have seen about story about the South Africa. That story was without constitution. Okay, then we have seen why there is a requirement to have the constitution in a country, and here we will understand when and at what conditions India started to have the Indian Constitution. See, during this era, during the 19th century, 18th century, it was very difficult for the Indian people to sit and to have the discussion on the constitution, that they will frame this constitution and all, because the invasion of the Britishers has taken place. So, and the separation of India and Pakistan was also going on somewhere in the corner of the India. So it was like very difficult task to sit and discuss on this topic to have the or to construct the constitution. But in 1928, Motilal Nehru with 8 other Congress leaders drafted a constitution of India. It drafted in the sense it is not done completely, it is started, it is the process is on the way. Okay, so by this leader they came up with the set of rules, and the people who said were called the constituent assembly members, and they come up with some basic rules and regulation in which they have given the right to each and every citizens about to vote and to have the right in the society. Earlier Britishers were not given this all rights, and during the Britishers era this all rights were weak, from the 1937 election started, because in the constitution the provision was given right to vote. So in 1937 election has been started. So from this time the constitution was implemented. Thank you so much.